Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Yahoo Fantasy 2026. Jumping into Yahoo Fantasy for the first time can feel like you just sign up to manage an entire sports team overnight. But once you get the flow, it's actually pretty fun. I start by downloading the app and signing into my Yahoo account. From there, I either join a league with an invite code or create my own if I'm feeling ambitious. If I create one, I set things like the league name, draft type, and scoring format, kind of like setting the rules of the game. Once I'm in, I check the draft schedule and either prepare rankings or show up live to pick players. Draft day is where things get real. I choose players round by round, trying not to panic when my top pick disappears. After that, it's all about managing my team weekly, setting lineups, picking up free agents, and making trades. Quick tip, don't ignore your lineup before each game week. One inactive player can quietly ruin your chances. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.